All right, guys, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to be successful with an app called Roadie. If you've never heard of Roadie, Roadie is an app that you guys can download. It's a gig delivery app, much like what you do with like Walmart Spark, DoorDash, Instacart. It's another app that you can add to the repertoire of all your different apps. If you're a multi-apper that like to run with multiple apps, Roadie is definitely one that you want to add. Places like Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, Tractor Supply, Advance Auto, many different order stores that may utilize Roadie, and the type of items that you're going to be picking up are pretty much heavy duty industrial, so you may consider having a truck, SUV, minivan. You can use a car, but there may be some items that you're going to be limited with. The type of items that you'll be picking up at these stores is going to be like barbecue pits, lumber, mulch, anything landscaping material, pretty much any items that they sell inside the stores you may be delivering, but they are going to be larger items. Like I said, barbecues, barbecue pits or barbecue grills, they could be huge. If so, you're definitely going to need a truck or a van or SUV for those. But you'll have items like sometimes doors and windows. You'll have like salt pellets for people that have to soften their water, so water softener pellets, things like that. And sometimes it may be in bulk, so you may have like 20 bags of something, or 20 of a certain item. Also like laminate flooring, things like that. So I've picked up anything and everything at these stores. What type of money will you be making on these deliveries? The type of money that I've seen with Roadie pays really well. I would say it's one of your top paying apps that are out there. You're going to make, depending upon the size of the item, the weight, and the distance that you're going to be traveling, you can make anywhere between 20, 50, 80. I've even seen items out there for pickup for over $100. It just depends upon how far you're willing to travel, and the weight and the size of the item. I've picked up everything that fits in a shoebox, to having my whole bed of my truck full of items. Okay. So also, guys, how far will you be driving? So some of these deliveries are probably going to be anywhere between 20 minutes long. You may drive an hour away. So if you're the type of person that likes to deliver in a certain community, in a certain area, you may consider only doing roadies, and for like inside of your community. I'm willing to actually go outside of my community, so that's something you might look at to make more money with Roadie. So you got it's whatever's comfortable for you, and that's what's great about gig delivery. It's you're doing whatever's comfortable for you. Also, guys, I want to mention the type of weight that you'll be picking up on some of these items. This is not food, and this is not groceries. These are some of these are going to be heavy duty items. You're going to be picking up items sometimes that weigh 50, 75. I've even picked up items that weighed 100 pounds. So if you're not into lifting, somewhere around 50 pounds, if you're not comfortable lifting 50 pounds, I wouldn't suggest Roadie would be for you. So also, guys, you can also stack these orders. So how do you stack orders with Roadie? So you don't have to wait until you complete the order with Roadie. Once you get accepted, for an order to pick up, you can actually stack orders. What do you mean by stacking orders? So let's say you're picking up an item and it's going 30 minutes down the road to another city or another area. You just look at the Roadie app and see if there's something else on that end that you're heading to, and if there's something there, you can go ahead and bid on that. Algorithm will pick up that you're heading that way and more than likely give that delivery to you. So that's a great way, and I've stacked up to 4 items before on my app. So it's a great way to stack money, guys. It's a great way to make money. You can be busy all day with this app, or you may be sitting in a parking lot. It kind of varies with this app. But if you're a multi-apper, you won't have any problems. So like I said, if you get to an area that's not busy, you can flip on, your Instacart, your Walmart Spark, your DoorDash, et cetera, whatever's working for you. And that's a great way also to make money and stack money with Roadie, is if you're going to an area that you already know, hey, when I get there, Instacart's great there, or Walmart Spark is busy there, or DoorDash, et cetera, then that's a great way for you guys to stack money with Roadie as well. The great thing that I like about Roadie is the pay, and also the ability to be able to have time to go pick up the order and go deliver and get into another area. I like that too, because sometimes those other areas are more busier than my home area, my home community. But guys, these are just tips and tricks here lately, guys. I have been making anywhere between $200 and $300 a day with Roadie, and I'm utilizing 2 different vehicles. I have this car here, and I also have a pickup truck, but my truck's not huge. I have a Chevy Colorado, which is a smaller pickup. So I'm able to make plenty of deliveries with Roadie. So here's another key though to help you guys out as well, is get up early. I've seen them start posting orders as early as 6:30, or in 6:30, 7 o'clock range. So definitely get up early and start checking your app. You're more than likely going to see something probably from like Home Depot, Lowe's, one of those stores. So you definitely get an early start. The earlier you get started, the better, and the more money you're going to make for your day. Also, guys, stay within your hotspots range. If you already know the Home Depot's hot, you need to be in that parking lot. If you already know the Lowe's is hot, and be in the Lowe's parking lot. And if you're multi-apper, just make sure that you're staying in that vicinity while you're running your other apps while you're waiting on a Roadie. But listen, guys, I hope this tips and tricks is helping you guys out. Also, guys, check out my website, guys. I'm also a digital marketer. If you're wondering how long I've been doing gig deliveries and where I get my information from, I actually been a gig delivery driver for 3 years now. So guys, listen, I hope you guys appreciate what I've told you. Good luck out there. I hope you guys have success with Roadie. Take care. My name's Jonathan.